Part 2. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am working. I am working. I am studying. I am studying. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am very busy. I am very busy. I am free now. I am free now. Let's go. Let's go. Come with me. Come with me. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hurry up. Hurry up. I am ready. I am ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's start. Let's start. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. I agree with you. I agree with you. I don't agree. I don't agree. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. That's interesting. That's interesting. Really? Really? That's amazing. That's amazing.